Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So the end of 2025 is approaching, and as you know, n8n has been a huge hit throughout this entire year. Look here, there are 7,164 workflow automation templates that have been created by experts, which are shared in the catalog. So you can be absolutely sure that today we're at 7,164, but in 2026, by the end of 2026, that number will easily reach 20,000, 30,000. This means that today all companies are going to migrate to this tool. They're going to use it for automation. So for my part, I wanted to make a short video to really give you some gifts, a helping hand, to support you and actually help you become an expert in automation. And that's why I'm going to give you 4 paths, 4 gifts, if you will, 4 bonuses that will, well, help you, yes, to finish 2025 well, and especially to prepare well for the start of 2026. So let's begin. n8n, as you know, is the most in-demand tool for companies today. Here I've compared it with Make and Zapier, and you can see that today, well, it's the most used. In red, n8n. You can see here the demand is truly enormous in 2025. So all companies are trying to use automation. So on my end, I've created about 100, but I've made a selection of 30 workflows that I've shared for free in the catalog. So here, these are all my workflows. Of course, there's one that is the most downloaded in the world. It's this one, in fact, so a fairly complete workflow. So all my workflows here are available to you for free. Every time you go into a workflow, for example, like this one, you have the option, you have the ability to download it. And in my workflow, once it's downloaded, you'll find a video. You'll also find the documentation. So with all the code, you'll find, well, all the nodes well configured, ready to be executed. So another thing, when you have the workflow, you obviously need a server. So the second thing I can offer you today for hosting n8n or the n8n workflow is you can either come here to the official site, but here you know it's a bit expensive, between $24 and $60 per month. And above all, it's limited in the number of workflows you can run. For example, here you can only run 5 at the same time or 20, which is very little, especially if you're a freelancer or an entrepreneur who wants to test workflows. Now the good news, on Hostinger, following Black Friday, they've actually run a promotion for $5.99 per month. So that's the price for the hosting. And especially here, in fact, when you click on Choose Plan, for example here, you have the option to come here and type in a promo code. So I've negotiated a special promotion with them for my community on LinkedIn and on Udemy. And here, when you type in this code, look closely at the code, Black n8n, you click Apply. This has never been done before, you know. It's really a 20% discount. And there you have it. So the price is €4.79 per month. It's really the cheapest price on the market to get a powerful n8n server. So take advantage of that. It's very, very interesting to have a server that's operational for 2 years. And you have this option. It's a free option, mind you, so n8n plus 100 workflows. When you take this option, it will automatically download the 100 most downloaded workflows in the world for free, which will be pre-installed. So you can test them directly and, well, take advantage of it. And of course, with Hostinger, it's a 30-day satisfaction or money-back guarantee.